Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on high impact practices at South Piedmont Community College. High impact educational practices, or HIPs, provide opportunities for learning in and outside of the classroom that not only enrich the college experience, but also contribute to student satisfaction, deep learning, retention, and meaningful engagement. At SPCC, HIPs take various forms and are intended to be available to all students. Students in HIPs engage in real-world questions and make discoveries and deep connections through individual and group projects, class enrichment activities, and specialized programs. Regardless of one's program of study, there is an opportunity for all students to become engaged in high-impact practices. Current HIPs coordinators at SPCC are Tammy Fraley, Honors and Pre-Honors Programs, Global Scholars, Service Learning and ePortfolio, Ryan Brown, Learning Communities such as First Year Experience and AA in a Year, and Stephen Silvoy, Undergraduate Research. The first HIPs we'll look at are Learning Communities. First off, AA in a Year. The Associate in Arts in a Year program is an affordable, customized, and efficient opportunity to earn your AA degree in 1 year. The price of this cohort-based program is capped at $1,500 with no cost for textbooks, as all materials are online. Classes in AAY are pre-selected and offer a flexible schedule that meets the needs of people from all different backgrounds, from students fresh out of high school to full-time professionals. The first year experience is a learning community designed to smoothly transition first-year students into college life. The program consists of 20 students who take classes during the first year. And over the course of the year, members become a part of a tight-knit community that share in group study sessions and fun extracurricular activities. Students in FYE not only learn inside of the classroom, they also make discoveries outside of the classroom. For example, members may exercise teamwork skills while inside of an escape room, or get to know history better by visiting a local museum. The Pre-Honors program allows new students the opportunity to begin their academic career through curricular projects and co-curricular activities. It is a way to explore what it will be like to become an honors student, and it allows one to begin to envision themselves as a scholar and highly engaged student. The SPCC Honors Program is an opportunity to immerse students in the focus areas of university honors, such as undergraduate research, leadership, and service during their 2-year college program. Honors experiences will also demonstrate excellence as students begin their careers. Graduating with honors simply looks good on a resume. The Global Scholars of Distinction is an academic program that focuses on multicultural learning. Students can learn from home, on our campuses in Anson and Union counties, or study abroad to learn about the different cultures and people around the world. Students in this program can also access courses, webinars, presentations, films, field trips, and even travel internationally, enhancing their understanding of the world and its people. Worldview, a global program at UNC Chapel Hill, began the Global Scholars Program as a way for community colleges to bring global education to students. SPCC has been a member of Worldview since 2016. Students who complete the program earn Global Scholar of Distinction on their transcripts, graduation honors cords, and a certificate of completion from UNC Chapel Hill. Our service learning program is a teaching and learning strategy that combines community service with academic activities and reflective practice. Students grow academically by applying course learning in the real world. At SPCC, students enrolled in service learning courses participate in community service as a portion of the assigned activities. The projects meet the course's specific learning outcomes and enhance opportunities for personal, educational, and professional growth. The undergraduate research program seeks to provide our students with the ability to strengthen core skills such as research and critical thinking, while also fostering relationships with a faculty mentor. Mentors will guide students and assist them until the completion of a given project or pursuit. And best of all, students will be able to complete something that is a reflection of themselves, their passions, or their future pursuits. The program will be an inclusive opportunity for all SPCC students, and the opportunities to participate are limitless. The final HIPS we'll look at is ePortfolio. An ePortfolio is a learning website that tells the story of your academic and professional development. It supplements the traditional one-page resume and can be included with the many university and employment applications that students complete to transfer or to get a job. Transfer students in the Associate of Science, Associate of Arts, Associate in Fine Arts, and Associate in Engineering make an ePortfolio as part of their coursework. The ePortfolio is started early in a student's program and it is completed near the end. Students outside of the associate degree programs are also invited to create an ePortfolio to use as a presentation tool to supplement resumes and job interviews. For more information and to read about students engaged in HIPS, go to this website, spcc.edu/high-impact-practices. To learn about how to include HIPS in your courses, please contact Diane Page, dpage@spcc.edu. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.